Netta Monroe. Welcome back to my channel, and today we are doing a Nicki Minaj ponytail. So today I'm collaborating with a company named Dolahair. They actually reached out to me via email and let me know they wanted me to review their drawstring kinky straight ponytail. So I chose the 22-inch because once I saw that it was a kinky straight ponytail, I immediately thought of Nicki Minaj. I've definitely seen her with it multiple times. So I wanted to try the look out. It's easy, it's good for a bad hair day or just something quick when you're going out and you just need something to throw on. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how I put this on, and it's really easy. So it's definitely something that you should just have in your stash. And so when you run your fingers through this, it does have a little bit of shedding, but not anything major where you would feel like it would be super thin in the future. So you would be able to just put it away, so that if you ever had like an issue where your hair just didn't look good, you brush your hair up and just put the combs in, pull that drawstring, and you got this. So y'all know I don't like to be too long-winded, so I'm going to leave the information down to purchase this product down in the description box. All of social media for Dolahair will be down in the description box, as well as mine, of course. I did stretch my hair previous to this video, so I am going to also leave the link down in the description box of how exactly I stretched my hair if you want to check that out. And I'm gonna go ahead and hop in the tutorial. I feel cute. Ow.
This is the packaging that they sent the drawstring pony in. It comes with a brand story pamphlet inside, and also it comes with a card to let you know that if you do a review on YouTube, you'll get $20 cash through PayPal, and if you make a post on Instagram and tag them, that you will get $10 cash through PayPal, which is awesome. So definitely check that out. This is my natural hair that I'm starting out with, and it has been stretched already, and I'm using the Organics Edge Smoothing Gel, and I'm just going to take that and go all the way around the perimeter of my hair just to smooth that perimeter out. I don't want it to be super sleek just because the ponytail texture is more of a natural texture, so I want my hair to be just a little bit wavy but tamed. So I'm just putting that all around the edges, and then I'm just going to smooth it out by combing. I just, want to make sure that it's as smooth as I can possibly get it, but this edge smoothing gel is soft, so it's not going to like pull it straight. So it's perfect for this ponytail. So once I have secured my ponytail, I'm just rubbing out that hair right at my temple because that would have crawled out anyway. And I'm just going to, swoop my swoopy swoops, you know what I'm saying? And then I am going to tie it down with a bandana because I told you guys before, my edges have to dry before I leave out or they're just going to curl back up. So I am tying my hair down with the bandana first, and then I'm going to, do all the ponytail and stuff. So by the time I am done with the pony, I am dry already. So now I have split my natural pony into two sections, half and half, and I am just going to braid it down all the way to the ends. And I'm doing this just so my bun is as small as I can possibly get it. If I was to try to do a bun with my hair just out like it is, it wouldn't have worked out. It probably would not have fit into the area where the drawstring pony has to go. So once I do that, I'm just going to wrap each braid around the base of the pony to make the smallest bun possible. So now here's the ponytail. I love the texture of it. As I said before, it is 22 inches kinky straight. There's a comb in the front and a comb in the back, along with the drawstring you see there. So you're just going to pull that tight to close it up, as you can see. Really cool. And so now I'm going to take the front comb and place it in the front of my bun, the back comb, place it into the back of my bun at the base, and then I'm going to just pull the drawstring and secure it, tighten that little that little clamp thing or whatever, make a hole, and then I'm going to pin that drawstring into place underneath so that no one can see it. And you guys, I just love this ponytail. A lot of companies send me products, and I normally give them away afterwards, but I am keeping this because it is a must-have in the stash, like, you guys. Oh my gosh. So I'm just taking a piece of hair from the back of this pony and I'm just wrapping it around the base of it just to cover up anything so that people can't see, and it looks really, really natural. And once I am all finished, I'm going to take that bandana off, and this is the finished product. Just fluff it out and you are done.
So hopefully this tutorial was super easy for you guys to follow. Remember to go down in the description and check out those links below so that you can get your very own kinky straight drawstring pony. They also have a whole lot of other hair products as well, so definitely check them out. As always, I want to thank you guys for watching. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time in my next video. Bye.
Everything I do is lit.